Welcome to this e-learning video how to set an easing motion on our machines. Warning: read and fully understand the operator's maintenance and safety manuals before using or servicing this machine. Failure to follow operating maintenance or safety instructions could result in serious injury. Look in the display for the crossing position of the machine. Next, you can use the slow motion buttons to move the machine to its crossing position. Try to do this as correct as possible. Next, we are going to lose the warp tension. Now remove the safety cover at the right-hand side easing motion on the machine. If you have a 190 or 220 machine, you will have a warp tension compensator on the right-hand side. If you have a wider machine, you will have one on both sides of the machine. Loosen the tightening bolt on the excenter. Turn the excenter with a spanner until the indication on the excenter is in line with the indication on the easing motion bar. Tighten the bolts on 136 Nm. If you also have an easing motion on the left-hand side of the machine, you will first have to remove the cover to be able to access the lower excenter. Now do the same action like you did on the left-hand side of the machine. Don't forget to torque. Next, you can use a bolt to check if the swing lever is in line. Loosen the bolts on the clamping piece. Move the swing lever up and down by using the correct tool for setting the easing motion. Block the swing lever with the bolt. Make sure the bolt can still move freely. Tighten the bolts again on the clamping piece with a value of 136 Nm. On the left-hand side, you will need to open the clamp on the feeler roller a bit. Next, loosen the bolts on the clamping piece. Move the swing lever up and down by using the correct tool for setting the easing motion. Block the swing lever with the bolt. Also here, make sure the bolt can still move freely. Tighten the bolts again on the clamping piece with a value of 136 Nm. Also, don't forget to torque the bolts on the feeler roller clamping piece again. Tighten the bolts on 136 Nm. Turn the machine 90 degrees forward or backwards using the slow motion buttons. Make sure that the bolts for checking the alignment of the swing levelers are removed on both sides before moving the machine. Loosen the bolt on one side of the machine and tighten it again. Place the protection cover back on the left-hand side. Place the extender protection cover back. Now you can place the tension back on the warp and you are ready to start. Thank you for watching this e-learning video for setting the easing motion. Questions or remarks, please contact us.